Today, Multimedia KKM tutorial channel turns up with one more tutorial on animation. This is my tutorial number 8 showing how animation by Motion Guide Twin is exercised in Flash interface step by step. This is marked by chapter 05 on Flash tutorial. First to view the output movie of Motion Guide Twin. It displays the motion of a ball in a selected drawn path by Motion Guide Twin, and then the shape of the ball is transformed to the shape of a triangle by Shape Twin. Hence, it is an exercise in which both Motion Guide Twin as well as Shape Twin are happen concurrently. Don't forget to like my channel. Let's switch on the practice of exercise in Flash document. Let's open Flash file in Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Click on Flash file Action Shape 3. Now we are in the Flash window. Let's adjust the stage. Select the hand tool. Drag the stage like this. Double click the layer 1. Name it stage. At the frame number 1, let's draw the stage. For this, select rectangle tool. Now from the property, select stroke color nil and fill color gray. Now draw the stage. This is the stage. At the frame number 50, insert a frame. Now insert another layer. Double click. Name it ball. At the frame number 1, let's draw a ball. Select oval tool. From the property, select stroke color nil and fill color say red. Now draw the ball by shift key. At the stage, insert another layer. Double click. Name it shape. At the frame number 50, insert a blank keyframe. Now to copy the frame number 1 of the ball layer and paste at the frame number 50 of the shape layer. Now hide the shape layer. Select the ball layer. Selection tool. Select the ball. From the right click menu, convert to symbol. Convert to symbol dialog box. Select graphic. OK. Now the ball is converted to graphic symbol and stored in the library. There is a change. A center point is inside the ball. This is called registration point. This point is very important for Motion Guide Twin. At the frame number 50 of the ball layer, insert a keyframe. In between the keyframe, insert Motion Twin. Now to insert Motion Guide layer. For this, select Add Motion Guide icon at the bottom of the layer panel. Click on it. You see the Motion Guide layer is created above ball layer. Select the frame 1 of the guide layer. Now to draw the motion path, select the pencil tool. Select smooth and then select color of the pencil, say black, and stroke size 1. Now to draw the motion path like this. Now select the ball layer, select selection tool. You see the registration point, that is center point, is set to the beginning of the selected path. Now select the frame number 50 of the ball layer. Drag the ball so that the center point is set to the end of the path. The setting is very important, otherwise the ball will not move along the motion path. Now see what happened. The ball is moving along the motion path. Unhide the shape layer. Select the shape layer at the frame number 50. Drag the ball of the shape layer to the ball of the ball layer so that both the ball layer coincide each other. At frame number 70, insert a blank keyframe. Now to draw another shape at frame number 70 of the shape layer. For this, select the polyester tool. From the properties bar, select the stroke color nil and fill color red. Now select the option and select the number of sides 3. OK. Now to draw the triangle. In between the keyframe of the shape layer, insert Shape Twin. Now what happened? The shape of the ball is converted to shape of the triangle by Shape Twin. At the frame number 85, insert a frame. Also a frame in the stage layer. Now select the shape layer. Insert another layer. Name it audio. Now move the playhead. When the ball touches the stage, at that point insert a blank keyframe. Now move the playhead. At the second touch, insert another blank keyframe. Next third touch, insert another blank keyframe. Now to import the audio, go to File, Import, Import to Library. Now this is the audio file, select it, open. The audio is in the library. Select the first blank keyframe, drag the sound to the stage. Next second blank keyframe, drag sound to the stage. Similarly, at the third blank keyframe, drag the sound to the stage. Now see the test movie. Go to Control, Test Movie. Oh, fine. The ball is moving along the motion path by motion guide twin, and then the shape of the ball is converted to triangle by shape twin. This is an example of both motion guide twin and shape twin happen concurrently. Please subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon. Now let the reminder of the summary points what we learned from the motion guide twin exercise. The exercise comprises of 5 layers. Layer 1 stage, it is a platform where the ball touch and bounce back. Layer 2 ball, it shows the ball is moving along the selected front path by motion guide twin. Layer 3 motion guide, it shows the motion line path drawn. Layer 4 shape, here the shape of the ball is transformed to the shape of the triangle by shape twin. Layer 5 audio, the sound when the ball hit the stage. Thanks. Have a nice day. Namaskar.